Welcome back, everyone. I wanted to take a second and actually thank everyone that's been following along with this build. I've had a lot of positive feedback and a lot of you guys have been really helpful. And I just wanted to take a moment and thank you everyone that's been watching and supporting. So, without further ado, let me show you what we got in store today. This is my new front fender. Yes, it is a dirt bike fender. I think it was like 30 bucks off Amazon, and I'm excited to put it on. I originally didn't think I was going to do a dirt bike front fender, and the more I kept seeing them, the more I liked it. So let's get started and get this front one off and go from there. So my debate right now is the bracket that's holding the brake line. I don't know if I want to relocate it or simply drop the hanger down for the fender. That's if I want the fender to fit flush. Gosh, I don't know. Because if I choose to move this somewhere else, that's going to entail a lot more work. I just don't know if I want to sign up for that right now. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible, because the more I can keep factory, like this type of stuff, the more accessible it is, I think. I mean, it's a brake line, so it's fairly universal. I have some decisions to make. So I kind of like the way it looks. The only downfall is it's a little flimsy. It kind of hits in the back a little bit. But I think I want to remake this top plate here. Not bad for version 1. Alright, scrap that idea. I've thought about this. I slept on it overnight and I decided that I don't want this brake line. Got online, found a place. Took like a couple days to get here. I'm gonna drain this brake line, put on the new one, redo this, and go from there. And maybe buy a new one in the future. Like I said, it's a $30 fender. I don't feel bad for cutting it up. Let's make this right, make it work. Let's do it. Well guys, that's going to conclude it for this video. This has been a process and a lot of trial and error, I have to say. I thought it was going to be more simple. Didn't expect I was going to be drilling into the triple, but after a couple of researches online and finding out what other people did, that's what they do. Now she is very secure. Good space, new brake, but damn, she looks good. Until next week, guys, take it easy. I'll see you.